I swear to God, these unregulated brokers prey on poor people. The more I look into futures, the more I like what I see. This is nothing against my current Forex broker, which has treated me very well, but I have to address the spot Forex or CFD Forex industry as a whole. Forex traders in the United States have to deal with some BS in order to trade Forex. We have unregulated brokers or regulated brokers with super low leverage, inconsistent spreads, broker manipulation, broker conflicts of interest, deposits and withdrawals with crypto, a crappy software platform in MT4 and MT5, and make no mistake, CFDs are illegal to trade in the United States. I don't like putting my money in ratchet, raggedy stuff, and Forex is a dilapidated market that is falling to pieces right in front of us. These platforms are getting investigated, shut down, or no longer taking US residents. These brokers are getting kicked off of MetaTrader. When you make a withdrawal in Forex, you are legit worried if you will actually get your money. What professional trader would tolerate this? But with futures, that market seems to solve a lot of the issues of Forex just by being regulated. In futures, your brokers send your order to the market to get filled, not taking the other side of your trade. That alone eliminates the conflict of interest. There is at most a one tick spread or no spread in futures. For scalpers, that's huge. So you can enter trades without immediately being in drawdown. And price only has to move a small amount to put you in profit. Another thing that I like is that there's only one chart for each instrument. Each broker doesn't have their own custom chart that they can manipulate or pad the spread. What a trader sees on one broker is the same as what a trader sees on another broker. That's a level playing field. I think it's easier to be profitable when the odds aren't stacked against you by the broker and the trading platform. In futures, you can see actual trading volumes in depth of market. You aren't guessing that the supply or demand zone is legit. You can actually see there was a high volume at a certain price, and you can see that there's pending orders at a certain price before it's reached. That's called transparency, which you don't have in decentralized spot Forex. Even if I jump ship to futures, I don't have to leave Forex behind because I can still trade currency futures. They have GBP USD futures, so that's really all I need. The only difference is that there's no spread and my money's 100% secure. Forex is open 24/5. Futures is open 23/5, so I'm not losing much in terms of market hours. Futures profits are more tax friendly than Forex profit. Futures offer higher leverage than regulated Forex. They have ACH bank transfers for deposits and withdrawals, so I don't have to worry about converting crypto or worry about the price of Bitcoin dropping while my withdrawal is being processed. I can get my money in USD cash the same way it sits in my bank account, and without getting taxed every time I buy or sell crypto in the deposit and withdrawal process. The same strategies I use in Forex will work on futures, except they'll probably be more precise in futures where there is depth of market and volume information available and no chart or spread manipulation. These unregulated Forex brokers let you trade with a $10 deposit. Come on, my guy. That's a straight up money grab against broke traders. That's who they're targeting. Look at the websites of futures brokers and then look at the websites of Forex brokers. I'm not judging solely on appearance, but I'm peeping the type of person they're trying to attract. You got Hugo's Way and KOT Forex with their logos being cartoon characters. What adult would deposit 4 or 5 figures into a broker that represents itself with a cartoon? I swear to God, these unregulated brokers prey on poor people. And they know the minimum $10 deposit is nothing more than a donation to the broker. As traders mature in their journey, it seems like all roads lead to futures. I'll still be involved with Forex, but once I make the switch, it'll be currency futures, not those fake Forex CFDs. There's levels to this trading game, and Forex is just the lowest level.